Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Halo Cat is probably one of the most innovative and exciting products to hit the market this year. Designed with both your furry friend and your home in mind, this product promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your cat. From its sleek design to its advanced features, we're diving deep to see if Halo Cat lives up to the hype and if it's the perfect addition to your home. Number 5. Halo Holistic Cage-Free Chicken Dry Cat Food. This is Halo Holistic Cat Food, made with cage-free chicken as the primary ingredient. It's a natural choice for your cat, providing complete nutrition without any meat meals. The recipe includes real, whole chicken, ensuring your cat gets a high-quality protein source. This food is cooked in the USA with carefully selected ingredients for optimal health. It supports your cat's digestive health with prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. These ingredients work together to boost the immune system and promote overall well-being. The food contains an optimal balance of omega fatty acids. This helps maintain healthy skin and a radiant coat, keeping your cat looking and feeling their best. Halo Holistic uses GAP-certified cage-free chicken raised without antibiotics. It also avoids unnecessary ingredients like corn, wheat, and soy, ensuring a wholesome meal for your cat. What we like. This cat food features cage-free chicken as the primary ingredient, ensuring a high-quality protein source for your cat. It also supports healthy weight management, which is crucial for indoor cats. If you are looking for a balanced diet that promotes overall well-being and digestive health, you should consider this. What people say. The Halo collar is a game changer. It has kept my dog safe and secure. The GPS and geofencing features are very reliable. Number 4. Halo Holistic Cage-Free Chicken Dry Cat Food. This dry cat food is made with real, whole, cage-free chicken as the primary ingredient. It doesn't contain any meat meals. This ensures your cat gets a high-quality protein source. The food is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. It's designed to provide optimal nutrition and complete digestive support for your cat. It's formulated for adult indoor cats, providing complete digestive health. Prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics support the immune system and overall health. The recipe includes an optimal balance of omega fatty acids. This helps maintain your cat's healthy skin and a radiant coat. The chicken is GAP-certified cage-free and raised without antibiotics. The recipe also uses non-GMO ingredients and avoids unnecessary ingredients like corn, wheat, or soy. What we like. This cat food is made with cage-free chicken and is designed to support a healthy skin and coat. It also provides complete digestive health. If you want to ensure your cat's coat is radiant and their digestion is optimal, you should consider this. What people say. Quality is great, kibble is easier to eat, small, flat, 3-point star shaped, and mostly I love the fact that they don't use any unhealthy animal meals as fillers like most all the other brands do. The first ingredient is chicken. They don't get bad upset stomachs and no diarrhea. Number 3. Halo Holistic Wild-Caught Salmon and Whitefish Dry Cat Food. This dry cat food is designed for complete digestive health. It is made with high-quality ingredients to help your cat feel their best. It is a great choice for adult cats. The formula features wild-caught salmon and whitefish. These ingredients provide essential nutrients for your cat. This ensures they get a balanced and delicious meal. This cat food includes healthy grains. These grains provide sustained energy for your cat. It helps them stay active and playful throughout the day. This recipe never contains corn, wheat, or wheat gluten. It is formulated to be gentle on your cat's digestive system. This makes it a great choice for sensitive cats. This product never contains rendered meat, poultry, or fish meals. It is created with your pet's entire well-being in mind. You can trust this food to provide optimal nutrition. What we like. This cat food features wild-caught salmon and healthy grains, offering a unique and nutritious option for your cat. It's formulated to support complete digestive health. If you are looking for a cat food with a focus on natural ingredients and digestive wellness, you should consider this. What people say. The Halo collar is a game changer for my dog. The GPS and geofencing capabilities are incredibly accurate, allowing me to create virtual boundaries and keep my dog safe. The collar's design is sleek and comfortable for my dog to wear. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. I love the training features that come with the Halo collar. The ability to set up different training zones and receive real-time feedback has been extremely helpful in reinforcing good behavior. Number 2. Halo Whitefish Recipe Dry Cat Food, 6 pounds. This cat food is made with real, whole whitefish as the first ingredient. It doesn't contain any meat meals. This ensures your cat gets a high-quality protein source. It's made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. This recipe includes added vitamins and minerals to provide optimal nutrition and complete digestive support for your cat. This food is designed for adult cats with sensitive stomachs. It includes prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics to support digestive health and boost the immune system. The recipe has an optimal balance of omega fatty acids. This helps maintain your cat's healthy skin and radiant coat, keeping them looking and feeling their best. The fish is MSC certified, wild-caught, and lived in its natural environment. It also contains non-GMO ingredients and avoids unnecessary ingredients like corn, wheat, or soy. What we like. This cat food is made with a whitefish recipe and is specifically designed to support sensitive stomachs. It also promotes a healthy skin and coat. If your cat has a sensitive stomach and you want to provide them with a diet that supports their overall health, you should consider this. What people say. The Halo collar is a game changer for my dog. The collar is very easy to set up and use. The GPS and boundary features work great. Number 1. Halo Whitefish Recipe Grain-Free Wet Cat Food. Introducing Halo Whitefish Recipe. This grain-free wet cat food is made with real, whole whitefish as the number 1 ingredient. It offers a rich, meaty taste that cats adore. This natural cat food is packed with added vitamins and minerals. It provides a complete and balanced diet for your feline friend. Plus, it's cooked in the USA with high-quality, non-GMO ingredients. Halo Pate cat food is formulated for the nutritional needs of growing kittens. This recipe provides the extra hydration your cat needs to stay healthy and happy. With a smooth pate texture and irresistible taste, it can be served as a complete meal. You can also mix it in with kibble as a tasty cat food topper. This grain-free cat food contains added taurine for heart and eye health. It has absolutely no corn, wheat, soy, or artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, ensuring healthy nutrition for your cat. What we like. This wet cat food features a whitefish pate, providing a delicious and hydrating meal for your cat. It's grain-free and packed with essential nutrients. If you want to ensure your cat stays hydrated and enjoys a tasty meal, you should consider this. What people say. The Halo collar is a game changer. It has helped me keep my dog safe and out of the road. The GPS is very accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.